Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. On this tip on today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background or change the background in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open up the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and tap on the plus sign, and then on the screen you can see the image you chose with the background. Now to change the background, you have to tap on the background and select replace and choose a background you want. Select the background. You can see you have successfully changed the background. Now to delete the background, you have to again select the background, and right above the background you can see there's a delete option. Tap on it and that's it. That's how you delete a background and change the background in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.